Welcome back, fam. Coach Nate here. I'm proud of you because right now, most people are rushing into their day without checking in on their body, but not you. This flow is designed to bring back something we lose without realizing: balance in your body, in your breath, in your posture. Maybe you woke up stiff, hips tight, or your back feeling like it aged overnight. We're going to fix that. One of these stretches will lengthen your spine and immediately reduce lower back strain. Another will target the quads in a way that improves your posture instantly. And the last two, they'll challenge your body's rhythm and balance while energizing you head to toe. By the end, you'll feel lighter, longer, and more in control of your movement and your morning. Let's hit the mat. This is where we hang the stress of yesterday upside down and let it fall away. Stand tall, feet hip width apart. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, hinge at your hips and fold forward. Let your head hang heavy and knees bend if needed. You're gonna feel length in the spine, stretch in the hamstrings and calves. I promise the stretch will relieve spinal compression, boost circulation to the brain, and calm your nervous system before the day begins. Beginners, bend the knees generously. Advanced stretches, grab opposite elbows and gently sway side to side. This stretch triggers your parasympathetic nervous system, helping you feel calm and grounded. Let go of tension in your face, your jaw, and your hands. Just relax. Stay 5 seconds longer than you want to. Can you feel gravity working with you? That's how we lengthen, not force. That just released your spine. Now let's open the front of your legs. This stretch doesn't just target your quads, it unlocks your stride. Shift weight to your left foot, grab your right ankle behind you, knees together, hips pressing slightly forward. Engage your core and lift your chest. You're going to feel a stretch in the front of your right thigh and hip. I promise the stretch will improve your walking mechanics, reduce hip tightness, and align your pelvis. Beginners, use a wall or chair for balance. Advanced stretches, add a slight forward hinge to intensify the stretch. Tight quads pull the pelvis forward, leading to back pain. This reverses that. Tuck your tailbone under and push the knee back slightly. Can you feel the difference? Are you standing tall or leaning? Adjust your alignment and stay proud. That just resets your right leg. Now let's bring balance to the left. This side might feel tighter. Pay attention. Your body's telling you something. Shift to your right foot. Grab your left ankle and keep your chest lifted. Pull the heel towards your glutes. Focus on breathing as you hold. I promise this stretch will restore symmetry in your hips, increase knee stability, and help with lower back support. Beginners, a light support from a wall. Advanced stretches, hold without assistance and squeeze the glute gently. Asymmetry in the quads creates compensation up the chain. This corrects that pattern. Stand without wobbling for the last 5 seconds. Hold steady like a statue. Can you feel your glute helping stabilize the stretch? That's connection, not just flexibility. That just activated both legs. Now let's mobilize the entire pelvis. This one is fun, but it's also a secret weapon for lower back relief and hip mobility. Stand tall, feet wide. Begin circling your hips clockwise in a smooth, fluid motion. Keep your upper body relaxed. After 30 seconds, reverse the direction. You're going to feel movement in your hips, lower back, core, and even the ankles. I promise this move will release stiffness in your lumbar spine, improve pelvic control, and build fluidity in your gait. Beginners, keep circles small. Advanced stretches, make them wider and more rhythmic. Here's a fun fact. Hip circles are used in physical therapy to unlock the sacroiliac joint, aka the center of your movement. Here's a little challenge. Keep your knees slightly bent and move as if you're dancing with attention, then out of it. Can you make each circle smoother than the last? That's your body recalibrating. That just mobilized your hips. Now let's tie it all together with strength and flow. We end strong, activating the hips, hamstrings, and spine all at once. Stand tall with feet hip width apart. Hinge forward, grab your toes, drop into a deep squat, chest lifted. Lift your hips high toward the sky while grabbing your toes. You're gonna feel a stretch in the hamstrings, activation in the glutes, and mobility in the ankles and hips. I promise this final move will train your entire lower body to work as one unit, improve squat depth, and boost daily movement patterns. Beginners, don't force step. Go as low as your body allows. Advanced stretches keep heels grounded and increase speed or control. This move mimics how we naturally used to move as children. Deep, functional, and effortless. You're reclaiming that. Can you do 3 slow, controlled reps without losing your breath or balance? Do you feel taller now? You should. That's your body realigned. You just move through strength, stability, mobility, and balance in 5 intentional minutes. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.